Hello everybody, now let us start a new point of this lesson, that is coordination in plants. Hormones in animals, we will learn later, last topic of this chapter. But now coordination in plants. See, plant is also called living organism or living thing. So how coordination occurs in between two organs or for growth and development of plants? It is divided into two parts. Okay, for understanding, for our simplicity, we divide it into two parts. The first is hormones and second is movement. So coordination is plant. It is divided into two parts. That is called hormones and movement. Hormones, plant hormones is also known as phytohormones. Remember this thing, sometimes in some book or sometimes in exam also it is written like this, that write about the phytohormones. It means what? You have to write about plant hormones. So plant hormone is also known as phytohormones. First we start with hormones, afterward we will start movement. Okay, so we start with hormones. Phytohormone is what? It is the organic compound or organic substance with which growth and development of plant boosts, or growth and development of plant is controlled by the organic substance. This substance is known as hormones. So hormone means what? Define hormones. It is an organic substance which controls the growth and development which controls the growth and development of plant. This is called hormones. Now different hormones are there. Question may be asked, explain hormones. Define hormone and explain plant hormones in detail. Write the functions of different hormones. Or maybe how does chemical coordination takes place in plant? How does chemical coordination take place in plant? The answer is again of hormones. Okay, now see the different hormones. The first hormone is Auxin. Auxin is known as growth hormone. It is secreted in shoot and root of the plant. It is secreted in shoots and roots of the plant. Okay, once you say that it is known as growth hormone, that means growth is possible because of the auxin. You know that growth is possible only when there is a cell division, so you must write that it controls cell division, or it starts cell division. It promotes cell division. When it promotes cell division, means cell division start. If cell division start 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8 and so on, after that we said that growth start. Growth is always in shoot and roots. Okay, shoot means tip of the plant moves up and roots moves down towards the earth in search of water. Okay, now we said that auxin hormones, it is because of these auxin hormones the total growth and total development of plant is done. This is due to auxin. Now the second is gibberellin. Another hormone, gibberellin. It is necessary for the growth of stem. Here it is necessary for the growth of shoot and roots only. It is necessary for the growth of stems. Means girth and growth. Girth means Girth. Girth means broadness, wideness of the stem increases and height of the stem also increases. Growth doesn't mean only height. Growth also means breadth, means length and breadth both. So girth and growth, both of the stem, both possible because of the gibberellin. It is also necessary for the elongation of plant. Elongation of plant means spreadness of plant. How much plant spreaded. Okay, this is because of gibberellin. It is also necessary for flowering. And once it is flowering, it is also necessary for fruit. Okay? This is the function of gibberellin. You have to remember the name of the hormone also. Auxin, gibberellin. Now cytokinin. Just like auxin, cytokinin also promotes cell division. Auxin promotes cell division in shoot and roots, whereas cytokinin promotes cell division in the remaining part of plant body. Okay? It also necessary for the photosynthesis. So you can write it promotes photosynthesis. If you said it promotes photosynthesis, means it is necessary for the photosynthesis, then you can write it is necessary for the opening of stomata. Necessary for the opening of stomata. Okay, these are the function of cytokinin. Now abscisic acid. See, you have learnt about ANS, autonomous nervous system, that is called sympathetic and parasympathetic. Here also in plant, auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin are called the sympathetic hormones, whereas abscisic is called parasympathetic hormones. Means suppose growth starts because of the auxin, because of the cytokinin cell division start, because of the gibberellin stems also grow, girth also increases. Okay, then abscisic acid try to restrict the growth, so that rose plant remain rose plant and neem tree becomes neem tree. Is it okay? If there is no control, if there is no abscisic acid, then what happens? Rose plant maybe increases and the growth start continuously and it converts into maybe neem tree. So this would not happen, that you know very well, and this is because of what? Abscisic acid. So auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin promotes growth, whereas abscisic acid inhibits the growth. This is your MCQ. Out of the following 4 options, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of the following 4 options, which hormone inhibits the growth? Only abscisic acid. Is it okay? So in this way, question will ask or question will twist it. So you can write here abscisic acid, it inhibits means what? Restrict the growth. Is it okay? Means abscisic acid is necessary for the response towards environmental stress. It is necessary to respond the environmental stress. Means surrounding environmental problem, maybe it will helpful to plant, maybe it is not helpful to plant. All this is decided by abscisic acid, whether it is good or not good, right? The last one, which is not given in your textbook, but you must have to write it. It is ethylene. Ethylene, natural ethylene in the plant is very well known. Nowadays, artificial ethylenes are also available, which is sprayed over the fruits, just like mango or any other fruit, so that it become ripe very fast. Okay, so here we discuss about ethylene hormones, natural ethylene hormones in plant. It is necessary for ripening of fruit. It is necessary for shading of leaves. When leaves converts into yellow color from green, then it will shed off naturally from the plant, and this is because of what? Ethylene. So ethylene is necessary for ripening of fruit, and shedding of leaves. Okay, so these are the hormones. A question may be asked, just write a short note on plant hormone, write a short note on phytohormones. Maybe one-liner question, write any one function of auxin, write any one function of inhibits growth plant hormones, or how does chemical coordination response by plant or chemical coordination in plant occur. Answer all these 5 hormones. Is it okay? Now we are going to learn about movement. See.